Morshedi. I'm the Executive Director at Women in Aerospace Canada. This year, we were so lucky to have PheedLoop taking care of our registration. I mean, last year we were doing it manually. It was every person that came in, we had to cross it out. It was very, very chaotic. This year, it was so smooth. And I'm not the only one that's saying that. A lot of guests came to me and said, wow, your registration process was so smooth. That's testament of the PheedLoop work, that the iPads, they were just so chic, so modern, and it made the experience so much better and elevated. And then on top of that, that we had a PheedLoop personnel here that was helping us with the whole setup. And even before the setup, PheedLoop was super, super helpful. Setting up the badge design and doing all the pre-work that we had to do. I mean, they were always very, very quick to answer our calls. Today's event, with over 300 people, could not have gone any smoother if PheedLoop was not part of it. So really, thank you so much for all your hard work and being part of it. And I can't wait to have you guys again next year as part of InspireHER 2027.